Today we got a video from Blue Line Bodycam, and the title of the video is "No Nonsense Cops Arrest Half the Bar."
This man is about to learn why you don't pick a fight with no-nonsense cops.
Hey,
Officers were working off-duty security when suddenly this happened. Instead of backing down, the man shoved the officers, and that's when they stopped holding back.
I'm cool.
He's going out. Don't turn. Don't turn.
Bro, all right, I'm trying to get my food.
Mind your back. Do not resist. You're going to the...
Hey, chill out. Where you? Hey,
Get back.
yeah, what you trying to take me on now?
Behind your back.
I'm cool.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind
Record this shit. Why you're not recording?
It's all recorded.
Hey, you hear me, brother? You hear me?
I can't let you walk up on me, dude. No hard feelings, but don't walk up. Back up.
It's all love and I love all. Hey,
What's your target?
It's going to be intox. You're good.
intox.
It was passed out.
I'm out this.
Stand up.
I'm out this.
I love you, brother.
Hey, don't
I get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. You have to spear anyway. Get back.
Bro, if I don't have that shit in my bro, intake, bro. I know it is.
We're cool now.
I'm intox, bro. But I'm at the bar though. I'm not driving or nothing. Yeah, he bugging. Yeah, bugging.
Why y'all taking him?
Nah, talk your shit back.
Back up.
Why y'all taking him? What about them?
Back up.
What about them dumbass niggas over
No,
there?
I'm a player.
He ain't got shit.
Niggas ain't vote shit around this bitch.
Good, brother. Y'all should be doing routes, man.
Just listen, bro. We all please just back up. Get back. We don't just back up. Last time I'm going to tell you. You're all going to get split right now. Get back. Back up.
You know your rights? They call it 12 and shit. You know your rights, Pat? Yeah! Record this shit, dog. You already know I'm coming. I'm being like that. Been like that. I ain't got shit on me. Yeah, thank you. They ain't got shit on me.
Get in the car.
Dumbass.
Dash cam on? I don't see no red light. Yeah, I see it. You the first one. What about Budwell? He got his camera on too?
What?
No, you don't. Y'all just slammed the shit out of him, bro.
Get in the car.
That bitch does. I bet you I'll be out the next day. How much you in the bet?
Get in the car. Okay, we'll see you
Yeah.
You're not coming back here. You're trespassing here.
Yeah, I'm church back.
There's 3 more motherfuckers over there that deserve this shit. I'll show you.
I would suggest you guys leave right now.
I'm not going nowhere.
I would suggest you leave right now.
I'm not going nowhere. I didn't do nothing.
I need to know who
Hey, who hit you? Who hit
You
you?
already know. You seen that shit.
The bar staff wants to know so they can leave.
I'm not taking no questions, bro.
Okay. You don't want to answer the question.
We'll let you know eventually.
Yeah! Yeah, they can't do shit. Yeah! 12!
Even after he was in custody, the chaos didn't stop. Friends cursed out the cops, refused to leave, and one was even caught carrying a loaded pistol inside the bar. Another turned out to be a 17-year-old out past curfew, adding to the pile of arrests.
You can't make this stuff up. This guy is already done. He already got his charges. He already got his whatever, right? You can go about your business. You'll see him tomorrow. But instead of doing that, you want to involve yourself into the situation. And honestly, if I was the officer, I mean, they were a little close. Like when they were trying to, when they had him against the car and stuff like that, and they all were directly behind the officer like that, like, nah. Nah, it's definitely got to be better crowd control than that, because that was crazy. I'm not gonna lie. They're not backing up. They're not listening to instructions. They want to do whatever they want to do. So whatever happens next is you deserve it. You know, especially if you know you have something on you that you shouldn't have, like right what we're about to see right now. Why are you should be under the radar. You shouldn't be acting like an ass, because now you deserve whatever happens to you. You deserve them charges. You need to know when to zip it and go about your business, especially if you know you got something on you that you shouldn't have.
Don't touch
He can't be
him.
here. He's been trespassing here.
I want to take him right now.
Don't touch him.
Well, he was told
Don't
from
touch
them not to come
Okay,
back.
no,
so.
you need to leave right now.
Find out from the employees if they want to leave. And if they don't, then we'll arrest them.
Please tell you, we're arresting.
The employees ain't finna tell us because we ride it. I told him not.
Guy
I didn't mean to hit you.
in the yellow. You want them to leave?
Yeah,
Okay.
they went quick.
Haley, it's for him to go.
You guys gotta leave.
Yeah, you guys are.
So if you don't leave, you're gonna get arrested for trespassing.
Go to jail.
My brother ain't gonna
Time to go.
like you should be here for shooting my dog.
Leave or you go to jail. Okay, you're under arrest.
Are you serious?
Come on, get it back now. Get it back. Do it now. Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Right now. 12. You bitch ass.
My hands are behind my back. I got a vape in my hand, everything.
Let it go.
Dude, get back.
Come on, Ryan. Y'all
Back up. Back up.
Y'all like my Ryan.
Go.
Yeah, really, that guy really stepping for me though. Y'all dumb as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all dumb as hell.
Back your ass up.
Pull this one up. We need to get back too. Get back. You obviously get back. You want to arrest too?
Back up. That's it. Go. Go.
I got a gun clip on me.
What's the gun?
It's legal, everything.
You have the gun on you?
Yes, I do, and it's secure, as you can see. Y'all slam me. I'm not running nothing.
Grab that gun.
I'm not tugging nothing. I'm cooperating. Y'all don't need to do anything.
Grab the damn gun. You are intoxicated. Pick it up.
I'm out.
Yeah, but you can't hide. Yeah, the gun could be legal, but you can't hide a gun if you under the influence. Like, you can't have it at the bar and stuff. Like, oh boy, dumb as hell, dumb as hell. You can't have that if you under the influence. Like, what? These guys, man.
Fine.
I'm not can't have a gun on you and being toxic.
Are you serious?
Set up, please. Yep, that's what happens when you push me. Yep, numerous times because you failed to listen to back up.
We gave you 25 opportunities to leave. Outside. It doesn't matter. This is private property. This is not public.
I'm here. I'm allowed to be here.
You're an absolute child.
Crazy.
Can't be here with a gun. Let's go.
Wow. I was the most calmest person on here.
You were told to leave.
1,000
left.
times.
Wow, 1,000? You ain't even making sense.
That's criminal trespass.
But 1,000?
You've been told to leave.
You counted
You refused to
1,000.
leave. It's criminal trespass.
But was it really 1,000 times? Criminal trespass when I said
Listen, one
when
time-
they said
listen.
I was allowed here at
Listen to me.
first.
One time.
I'm not gonna listen
Told to
to
leave.
you because you're black
That's your issue.
working for these people.
That's your issue.
It's not my issue.
You don't know
I'll
how
be
to
out
listen.
soon. I'll be out soon. Put me in the back of this car so I don't have to talk to you anymore. What's your badge number?
I don't have to get that.
Mathis?
Sit
That's
down.
a weirdo. Get off of me. I'll sit down. Get off of me. I'll sit down. Get off of me. I'm in the car.
You better knock it off.
Man, you knock it off. Your ass black working for these motherfuckers. I'm happy I'm in the back of this car because this proves me. Do you understand the team that you're on is shitty as fuck? Bro, you are my color working for these dickheads. Come work for me and be my security guard. This shit crazy, bro.
Leave right now.
How you going? You telling me to get in the car?
Don't stop. Don't stop. If you stop walking, I'm going to arrest you. If you stop walking, I'm going to arrest you.
I thought you were waiting for a ride.
Man, this is my
Okay,
ride.
then you're not waiting for a ride. You leave.
Leave.
I'm great. I'm trying to leave, man. Y'all harassing me.
Keep going. Stop talking and leave.
If you don't want, can I get in this car and not get arrested?
You're leaving.
I'm scared,
If you're not
bro.
leaving.
I'm terrified, bro. I'm trying to get in the car. This the
Put your hands behind your back. Put your phone down.
Y'all know.
I don't know how many times
like
somebody's got to be told.
And y'all not dirty and me.
Is this your car though? We
I ain't gonna. Nah, this not my car. This her car right there. All on camera. Y'all make sure that phone
On camera. Yep.
Yep. You hear me? Trying to get in the car. Y'all telling me to get in the car. What did I do wrong? What's the charge? I'll be out by Monday, if anything. Come on now. What is that? Real savages can sit down and do that. Real savages go out like gentlemen. Love you, brother!
At some point, we just shut up, man.
Cuss. Ain't no instruction. Cuss, is it? If I
You can cuss, I just let's shut up.
Love you, brother!
You mind locking that one, too?
Hey, free the real twinker! Free my brother, probably killed your bitch ass brother! Hey, free the real twinker! Free my brother,
Oh my goodness, golly.
Well.
I got fucking smoked to the ground.
How many do we got?
I think 3 total or 1,
4.
Original and then 3 more. You see your cop almost hit me? I was standing there right to you guys. I appreciate it. Yeah. They don't know.
I know. That's why you guys need, that's why they honestly need to get you like security though.
Right.
In the backseat of the cruiser, the man kept running his mouth. The fight was over, but he still couldn't grasp why he had been arrested.
No record.
No record.
That was for the weapon.
Man, but not, yeah. And he legal. Y'all sick as fuck.
You can't drink and have it.
I know. But he wasn't drinking though. Y'all gotta prove it.
Listen, have you been drinking?
Of course.
Okay,
I had one beer.
I understand that, but you can't even have that and have a firearm on you.
I was outside the premises,
It
bro.
doesn't matter.
I'm allowed to have a concealed carry weapon.
Not if you were drinking. It doesn't matter where you're at. If you have alcohol in your system, you cannot carry a firearm.
Every firearm holder should know that. You should know that. You cannot have the firearm on you while you're intoxicated. You can't. You can't. If you don't know the basic rules of having a firearm, you don't even get one. Because it's not as simple as, I can have a concealed firearm. That's not that. Just because you got your license and you can have a concealed firearm, that doesn't mean there's still rules in place for that. You can't be under the influence. And all of these guys are a bunch of idiots. All these guys are a bunch of idiots. The one guy was acting like an ass, and you guys want to ride for him. Like, right, the guy in the car was like, oh yeah, my guys are stepping for me. Listen, they're looking guys up. No record. Now guess what? Now they're gonna start a record for you. You know, it doesn't even make no sense. Most of these guys should have just been leaving, especially the last one. Why are you taking your sweet time? They don't want you there. Go. All right, y'all got it. This guy got the weapon on him. All right, you got it. Slide out. Slide out, because you, as a firearm holder, should know that you can't have it while drinking. You should know the basic rules to having it. This doesn't make no sense. These guys are just crashing out for no reason.
One beer, bro?
Listen, dog, we don't make the laws, okay? We enforce them.
I'll see you on Monday. Free. It's 2 days.
Step on out, please.
Working, I can't say next one.
Holy cow. Step in here for me, please.
Holy cow.
Yeah, you're pretty drunk. How are you?
23, valid.
Why are you guys taking your 17-year-old brother out to the border?
3349.
I'll say what, you're smarter than your brother, though. 'Cause your brother caught like 2 extra charges.
Doesn't say French.
Let's go.
Well, why you grab?
Because you don't want to walk.
I'm walking when I start to walk.
Sit down. Oh, you are? That's not cool. Enjoying your 6-hour stay here in our facility. No? Yeah, 6 hours.
He was charged with assault on a peace officer, resisting arrest, and obstructing official business. The judge sentenced him to 90 days in jail, with half suspended, leaving him 45 days behind bars. He also got 2 years of probation, mandatory anger management classes, and over $1,000 in fines and fees. At Blue Line Bodycam, I always bring never.
All for what? Because you want to show your ass. Doesn't make no sense, man. These guys crashing out, no reason. Anyways, let me, I'm going to give the officers, man. I'm going to give the officers like a 3, man. I think they needed a lot of work with crowd control. The crowd control was terrible. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie. So they get a 3 for that. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.